Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a Python backend and JavaScript frontend web application, a step-by-step tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a web application with a Python backend and a JavaScript frontend. We'll use Flask, a lightweight Python web framework, for the backend, and plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the frontend. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org. Install Flask. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to install Flask. Create a Flask app. Create a new file called app.py and add the following code. Create templates folder. Create a folder named templates in the same directory as app.py. Inside the templates folder, create index.html. Run the Flask app. In your terminal or command prompt, run the following command. Open your web browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:5000/ to see your Flask app in action. Create frontend files. In the same directory as app.py, create a folder named static. Inside the static folder, create script.js. Link JavaScript in HTML. Open index.html in the templates folder and add the following line in the head section. This links the JavaScript file to your HTML. Run Flask app again. If the Flask app is not running, start it using Python app.py. Refresh your browser, and you should see the JavaScript alert. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a Python backend with Flask and a JavaScript frontend. You can now build upon this foundation by adding more features, connecting to databases, and enhancing the user interface. ChatGPT.